egie charanengi ogoitera to saira mukamo mura utaramorora na itwe kebuno mwasi na kitoro policies. I assure you that 100%. Great government policies. You have said that one as a police, and we are going to put the policeman to interpret. Number 2, you know our duty. Our Apple President, Dr. William Samuel Ruto. If you go back, we Ngao officers, we are privileged, we are honored, we are advantaged.
We cannot be left behind. Kenya is thinking anew. We must be part of that conversation. I think HE will be launching this own vision on 12th of August, the big national event.
Naomba hekima inayotoka kwako ili tukiendelea kufanya kazi tuweze kuifanya kulingana na vile wewe mwenyewe unavyopenda na kulingana na mapenzi yako. Tunaamini umesikia ombi letu, kwani tumeomba katika jina la Yesu aliye Bwana na Mwokozi wetu. Kutoka mwanzo hadi sura mwisho. Tunapotawanyika tunaomba huruma kwa barabara, kwa wageni wetu, bariki Bwana PS ambaye ni mgeni wetu. Bariki DCCs, tumekuja mbele zako wakati huu. Tunakushukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa kila jambo limeweza kutendeka katika maisha yetu. Na katika mkutano wa siku ya leo
ametuanga kazi na amejali sisi kama Rais Ruto. Chiefs, let us change with changes. Sisi ni wale tulianza kufanya kazi na Wazimu, tukafanya kazi na Rais Kibaki, tukafanya kazi na Rais siasa kama. Mtu anatafuta kazi, aseme hii kazi inaendelea na yeye atafute kazi. Our president is doing what you have told us. The development record.
Are you ready? Are we ready?
Nilikuwa nimekimbia kwa PS lakini nakuja.
Thank you.
Sawa.
You okay?
Jana. Toka hapo.
Reviewed progress with the voter registration and also the ID registration. Because if someone attains 18 years and they don't have a national identity, they can't do anything. They can't transact. They can't even do an M-Pesa transaction. They can't travel because you need identity to actually board an aircraft. They can't do anything basically. And this is good for them because it's actually citizen empowerment. So we said they need to go to the villages to identify youth who have actually attained 18 years, to then be encouraged to do this. Good for them because then they can be able to cease either to go to college or training or in fact do other economic activities where they can only do if they are registered. And finally, around civic duty, to say that as we're building into the next cycle of elections, that our people should actually not be left behind by not registering as voters. The Ngao updated that we had about 10,000 new voters registered in both sub-counties, Nyamache and Sameta. We are targeting about 40,000 new voters. So we actually agreed with the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, the ACCs and DCCs, that they will actually sensitize again in the parasas, that people actually need to prepare to exercise their civic duty by registering first of all as voters, That's the only way they can actually participate in the new exercise that will then come in the new year, when obviously there will be a new general election, so that they also participate like the rest of the Kenyans and come and actually have their say when that happens. So basically, discussion of development, discussion of updates around what's happening, matters security. The security team said that I think there is a good sort of environment. They have maintained law and order for the citizen to actually carry on with their social and economic activities. The administration of His Excellency the President has 5 pillars which has led in this tenure. And we are talking about the progress with the agricultural reform, and we know Kisii is a major agriculture producing country. We're talking about MSMEs, especially progress that we've had with Nyota, Hustler Fund, and the other interventions. We are talking about universal healthcare on SHA and SHA registration, and we are actually informed that Kisii County is actually got one of the highest registrations, with about 465,000 residents registered as SHA users. But we are actually encouraged Ngao to actually encourage more of our people to register, because it's good for them. We talked about the digital superhighway and creative economy, and you know the world is going digital, and this area should not be left behind. The digital cap has come. We're also looking at you know, Wi-Fi and all this connectivity, so that our youth especially are also in the net. And then finally also looking at affordable housing and all the other interventions with you know, the modern market developments, and a number of projects that are actually ongoing currently, both in these 2 sub-counties of Nyamira and Sameta, and in fact Kisii County and the countrywide, as you are aware.